Hi, welcome to our maths lesson. Today we are looking at squaring integers. The aim of today's lesson is to learn how to square numbers. So my learning objective is actually to be able to square integers. Now, integers are just whole numbers that can be positive, negative, or zero. Now, positive integers are the counting numbers we have, like 1, 2, 3, 4, going to infinity. And negative integers are numbers that are less than 0, but they are never fractions or decimals, like -1, -2, -3, all the way back to minus infinity. Now, to square a number, what that means is the product you get when a number is multiplied by itself. To be able to square integers, there are 3 success criteria you can use. First, to know what the term is to square a number. Also, to understand the symbol used to denote square numbers. And then to be able to square the integers. How do we go about squaring these numbers here? Now, 3 squared is written as 3 raised to the power 2. So this 2 here means power of 2. So, and what that means is 3 times 3. And 3 times 3 is 9. Now, 12 raised to the power 2 means 12 times 12, which is 144. And 39 squared means 39 times 39, which is 1521. Now, this is minus 10. Now, when you square a minus number and you get a positive answer. So, minus 10 actually means minus 10 times minus 10, and that gives you positive 100. What I want you to do is to pause the video and do these. We'll look at the answers in the next slide. How did you do? Now, you were given 2 squared numbers, but you then have to add them. So we know how to square 5. 5 raised to the power 2 just means 5 times 5, and then 2 to the raised to the power 2 is 2 times 2. If we find answers to that, we can add them. 5 times 5 is 25, and 2 times 2 is 4. Then we add the 2. That will give you 29. Give us 29. Now, 90 squared means 90 times 90, which is 8,100. And 11 squared minus 9 squared. So we first have to find what 11 squared is, which is 11 times 11. Then is 121. We're taking away 9 squared, which is 9 times 9, which is 81. If we take that 81 away from that, we get 40. Now, 14 squared means minus 14 times minus 14. It will give us a positive number, 196. Okay, what I want you to do is to pause the video here and go and do some questions. You will have the mild, which is easier than the medium. The medium is kind of in the middle, and then the hot is the challenging one. So please do not look at the answers. Mild will be page 1 and the answers on page 2. Medium questions are on page 3, answers on page 4, and for hot is page 5, answers on page 6. If you feel confident after doing this and you want to challenge yourself more, do these ones too. Right. What I want you to do is to show a guardian or a sibling some of the things that you really did well at and show them how you did it. Just for reflection, do you know what a square number is? Do you also understand the symbols used to denote a square number? Can you even find square numbers of integers? Now, if you were able to do all these, well done. You are now able to square integers.